So today I'm going to show you how to bypass the seat safety switch on a riding lawnmower. Now this is a John Deere, but they're pretty much all the same. Your seat safety switch is going to be right up under the seat, so you're going to flip your seat forward and you're going to want to slide your seat forward, so you might need to undo these 4 bolts. Slide your seat forward so you have access to your electrical connection. All right, so the electrical connection is right here, and what we're going to do is we're just going to get behind this electrical connection, and then you're just going to basically pull back on it. As you're pulling back on it, don't pull too hard because you can break these. You want to pull straight down on the electrical connection. All right, so now on your electrical connector, what you're going to do is if you turn to the front of this, let me zoom in here a minute. Okay, you'll see these tabs right here. There's one right there and one on this side right here. And what it does is when you sit down on the seat, it completes the circuit and then the engine will start. If somebody's off your seat, it won't start because it's not completing the circuit. All right, so what we're going to do is this. We're going to actually remove these 2 pins. It's super easy to do. So take your pick that you've got here, and some of them will have a 4-prong system. I know Husqvarna has a 4-prong system. I have another Craftsman, and this John Deere is a 2-prong system. And what you're going to do is you're just going to flip it over. One side of it is going to be flat. The other side is going to have this little notch in it. And what you're going to do is you're just going to get behind here, and you're going to get your awl up inside there. And then what ends up happening is as you push on it, it will push up the pins just like that right there. Okay, now that the pins are out, just go ahead, grab them and remove it. And that is what it's going to look like. All right, so now that you've pulled out the pin to bypass the seat, just go ahead and reconnect this electrical connection, because now it's fully disabled and you don't need this electrical connection flopping around all over the place. So go ahead and reconnect it, adjust your seat and put your bolts, tighten your bolts back down, and you're good to go. The other thing too is I've seen people take several different things that I've seen. Credit cards that were jammed down inside this electrical connector. I've seen cardboard, toothpicks, all sorts of things, but you're bypassing the safety feature. So I'm showing you how to do this. It's on you that you're taking out the safety switch. Hopefully this video helped you out. Please subscribe, like, and I'll be doing a bunch more videos on bypassing the safety switches on your riding lawnmowers, so stay tuned.